have a small tear on this our leather seat on our car. It's very small here, but you want to fix that before it gets bigger. So what I have here is I have a toothpick, a flexible stretchable fabric glue, a small fabric. No, this one here, you want to get something that's a little bit bigger, and then you want it a little bit like well, I cut it round. And then some blocks. I don't have blocks, wood blocks, but I have this, so I'm gonna use this. This is left over from, or a sample from a wood floor, and alcohol for, you know, excess glue, to remove excess glue, and some paper towel and scissors in case you need it. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing you want to do is put this inside, but this fabric is a little bit big, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit. Okay, so now you want to put it inside. You want to make sure it's flat. Okay, so now it's flat. Let's see this side here. Oops. And then you want to get the glue and put the glue inside here on the fabric. And then I'm gonna put glue on there too. I wanna get the excess glue in there. I'm gonna put something heavy. So wait for it to dry. So here it is now. It's glued together. I mean, this is just like a quick fix. At least the tear is not going to spread. So I glued it really good. See right there? It's glued. There you go. Thanks for watching.